Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Naina and I hope you guys are doing well. Now for today's video, I'm sure that you must have got an idea by looking at the title of the video and also the makeup look that I've done. So this is the makeup look that I've done for this video. Trust me, it was so spontaneous. It was not planned at all. I was actually planning to shoot my whole video today, but I thought why not to shoot a video for Instagram where I'll just do my regular basic makeup, and then I ended up doing this. And I got my inspiration from my nails because I just randomly paint them blue, and I thought I've never done anything blue on my face, so let's just go with blue makeup today, and I ended up doing this. This was really not planned for YouTube, but then this turned out to be so good that it needs its own space on YouTube. So I'm gonna post this video on YouTube first and then I'm gonna post it on IGTV. So this is the makeup look that I've created. It's so dramatic, it's so OTT, over the top, but I totally love it. I really love the blue eyes, man. Like, I never assumed that blue eyes would look so good. So I've done this beautiful blue eyes with a hint of those rose gold shimmer thing, and then this perfect nude pink lips. And I know that it's way too over dramatic. I've never done anything this on my channel, so I thought that it would be quite interesting to do one, and just kept following my heart. Whatever my heart told me to do it, I just kept doing it. But this turned out to be so good. Just so proud of myself. So yeah, this is the makeup look that I'm gonna show it to you guys. It's so easy. It looks really dramatic when you see it, but trust me, it's way too easy when you'll see it. So yeah, this is the makeup look that I'm gonna show it to you guys in this video. So without any more talking, let's just quickly move to the video.
So we are going to start by prepping our skin, and for that I'm going to go ahead and use my lightweight moisturizer, that is Pond's Cream. This is the beautiful lightweight drugstore moisturizer that I've ever found, and yeah, I'm just going to use this to prep my skin first, and after prepping my skin we're going to go ahead and start with our makeup. Now for makeup we are going to apply primer first so that our makeup stays for long, and here I'm using Nykaa Prep Me Up primer. So I'm going to take a little amount at the back of my hand, and then I'm gonna apply it all over my face. Once the canvas is smooth to do our makeup, then we're gonna go ahead and use a foundation. Here I'm using not mine, but it's actually my friend's. Here I'm using brand new Sephora foundation. It's actually my friend's, as I've already told you guys. So yeah, I'm just gonna take 2 pumps of it, and then using my PAC stippling brush, I'm just gonna dot it all over my face, and then I'm gonna blend it in really nicely. Do not forget your neck, never ever forget your neck. So I'm also gonna take that foundation onto my neck so that everything matches perfectly, and then I'm just gonna blend, and then once my foundation is perfectly blended, then I'm gonna go ahead and conceal my under eyes. For that I'm gonna go ahead and use my LA Pro Girl concealer in the shade Pure Beige. I'm just gonna use this concealer to conceal my under eyes and any acne spots or blemishes that I have. So once that is done, then I'm gonna go ahead and take my Nykaa small stippling brush and then blend my concealer using the same. Once we have concealed our under eyes, I'm gonna go ahead and highlight my under eyes, and for that I'm using my Maybelline Age Rewind concealer. Using this, I'm just gonna highlight my under eyes, my bridge of the nose, my forehead, my jawline. So yeah, and again using my Nykaa stippling brush, I'm gonna blend it in all really nicely. Now once everything is done and once everything is set, I'm going to go ahead and mattify my entire base, and for that again I'm using Sephora compact powder. Again, this is not mine, this is my friend's. It was actually not her shade, so she gave it to me to try on, and it perfectly matches my skin tone, as you guys can see. So now I'm just going to mattify my entire base using the Sephora compact powder, and I have to say that this foundation is really beautiful. Even the compact powder, it has got a beautiful coverage. It has got this matte coverage which looks really beautiful. So yeah, going ahead with Sephora compact powder, I'm gonna use my Real Techniques powder brush, and I'm gonna mattify my entire base. Once our base is set, we're gonna go ahead and do our brows, and for that I'm gonna go ahead and use my NYX brow gel, and whoosh, I have done my brows just like in seconds. And then going ahead for my eyes. So for our eyes, we are gonna go ahead and use this Maybelline Lemonade Craze palette, and I'm gonna take this beautiful brown shade from this palette, put it all across my eyelids to use it as a transition shade. Once that is done, then I'm gonna go ahead and use my NYX eyeshadow palette and take this beautiful blue color. It's highly pigmented, you guys, like you'll see in seconds. It's highly pigmented. So yeah, just dust off the excess, whatever you have on your brush, and then I'm gonna put it right at the outer corner of my eyes, and then take it between my crease line and my upper eyelids. Take about 30 seconds to blend my eyeshadow so that there are no harsh lines, and that is what I'm gonna do here. I'm also gonna use this blue color onto my Real Technique small blending brush and put it in my lower lash line. We are just gonna make it a lot smokier. That is what I'm gonna do here. Once everything is set, once everything is completed, then as you guys can see, I have left my midsection on my upper eyelids, and that is where I'm gonna use this rose gold shimmer color again from the Maybelline Lemonade Craze palette and put it right at the center of my eyes using my ring finger. So always use your ring finger. I don't have to say it again and again. Always use your ring finger because it has a very least pressure. So that is what I'm gonna do. Moving ahead, I'm gonna take my Maybelline eyeliner. You guys know how much I love winged eyeliner. So here I'm gonna do the same. Here I'm gonna draw a very beautiful winged liner. And yeah, that is what I have done. Once the liner is done, then I'm gonna put falsies off camera. So here I've used PAG M72 eyelashes. Then going ahead, I'm gonna use my L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara. It is a beautiful mascara, you guys. So I'm gonna use the same mascara to do my lower lashes. So we are done with the just one eye, and I'm gonna do the other eye off camera. So again, whoosh. And voila, we are done with our second eye, and as you guys can see, it looks so beautiful, so dramatic. This is really something very OTT I've ever done. I'm gonna move and do contouring, and again I'm using my one and only L'Oreal contouring palette. I'm just gonna take this beautiful brown shade and put it onto my cheek, my hairline and my nose. I'm just gonna contour my face so that it looks really sharp, really contoured. Once my face is contoured, I'm gonna go ahead and put some blush on my cheeks, and for that I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me Rose blush. I'm gonna take this beautiful pink shade onto my Real Techniques blush brush, and I'm gonna put it right onto my cheeks, my nose, my chin, you know it. After the blush, we're gonna move to our lipstick, and for that here I'm using this Jacqueline USA beautiful nude lipstick. It's the perfect shade. It's a matte shade. It doesn't smudge or it doesn't transfer at all. So I'm gonna take this beautiful nude shade, which is almost like nude pink. So yeah, I'm gonna take this shade and put it onto my lips, and yeah, we are done. Once everything is done, we're gonna go ahead and move to our last and final step of our makeup, which is highlighter. So I'm just gonna dip myself into the highlighter, and for that I'm using my Makeup Revolution illuminating highlighter. And yeah, I'm just gonna take my Wet n Wild fan brush and highlight my beauty points like my cheekbones, my bridge of the nose, chin, my cupid bow and my eyebrows. And yeah, voila, we are done with the makeup.
So that's it for the video, guys. So this is my over dramatic OTT blue eyes makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this makeup look. I would love to know what you think of it. So please comment down below and tell me कि आप सबको ये look कैसा लगा, and would you like to see such over dramatic looks on my channel? I would love to experiment with my makeup. And yeah, if you enjoyed watching this video, then please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends. And this look is really easy breezy. जिसको भी basic makeup आता है वो आराम से ये look create कर सकता है. If you happen to recreate this look, then do not forget to share the pictures with me on my Instagram. My Instagram handle is right here. And yeah, before you move on to watch any other video on YouTube, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button, bell notification button, ताकि मैं जब भी video post करूँ आप सबको झट से पता लग जाए. And I'm gonna see you guys next time. Bye.